Restoring my, it's a bit of a mess at the moment, Birchwood 22, so there's like loads of things that I'm doing on this. At the moment, like mostly inside really, does need a clean up where it's been sitting here. So yeah, but mainly inside it all needs sorting so it can actually be used in the summertime. So yeah, it's a good old boat. I've owned this since about 2017. So, and then when I've got that one done, it'll be onto this beastie. It's a Princess 32, and that is going to need a complete refit inside, I think. During COVID,